Welcome to our healing yoga session, designed to support your journey toward reducing chronic inflammation and fostering overall well-being. In today's session, we'll explore gentle stretches, mindful breathing, and grounding poses to release tension, improve circulation, and calm the body. Allow each movement to soothe discomfort and restore balance, while focusing on your breath to deepen the healing process. Get ready to nurture your body, refresh your mind, and embrace a state of inner harmony. Let's begin this transformative practice. Crocodile pose, Makarasana.
Let's do Makarasana, the crocodile pose, and we're starting laying on the belly. So come here on your stomach and bring your forearms together. Open your feet so the toes are pointed outside and the heels pointed inwards. Next step, we're gonna bring the hands right under the chin, a little bit like you're relaxing on the beach. And take a moment here. Let the whole body relax. For 3, 2, 1. And then remove your hands, turn your feet, and come back to your seated position. Hands on your knees and relax.
Full yogic breath, Dirga Pranayama.
Let's do Purna Yogic Pranayama, the yogic full breath. Are you ready? Sit comfortably on your mat. This is a breath in 3 times. We start with abdominal breath. Inhale, expand the belly, and exhale, contract the belly. The second time is the chest. Inhale, expand the chest, and exhale, contract the chest. And finally, the third time is the clavicles. As we inhale deeply, we lift up the clavicles, and as we exhale, they drop down. Then we put all of this together. Inhale, start with the belly, the chest, and the clavicles, and exhale, clavicles, chest, and belly. Again, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale, and exhale. Fantastic, relax.
Side plank pose, Vasisthasana.
Let's do Vasisthasana, the side plank pose. Are you ready? We are starting with a tabletop posture. And then outstretch your legs behind you. Bring the heels together and drop the heels on the left side. Bring the right hand up. Create a nice line from both hands, and we stay for 3, 2, 1. Bring the right hand on the mat. Turn the heels, and we're doing exactly the same thing on the other sides. All body engaged. We stay for 3, 2, 1. Bring the hands back on the mat and then drop the knees. Come back in your starting posture. Take a long inhalation. Exhale and relax.
Neck movements, Griva Sanchalana.
Let's do Griva Sanchalana, the neck exercises. You ready? Meet me on a sitting position. And then inhale. Exhale, bring your head to the right shoulder. Inhale. Exhale to the left shoulder. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Inhale, come back to the center. This time, inhale and bring your chin up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come back to your center, and this time start rotating, dropping the head to the right shoulder, then to the left, then forward. Take your time here. And then rotate the other way around. Come back to your center.
Padma Mudra, Lotus Seal.
Let's do Padma Mudra, the lotus seal or lotus gesture. Let's start. Join me in a comfortable cross-leg position. And then bring your hands together with the thumbs touching your chest. And then slowly open your hands a little bit like a blooming flower, but keep the thumbs and the pinky fingers connected and the thumbs still touching the chest. Focus here on your heart center opening. Take long and deep inhalations and exhalations. When you're done, you can open your eyes, close your hands again, and then bring your hands on your knees.
Reversed warrior pose, Viparita Virabhadrasana.
Let's do Viparita Virabhadrasana, the reverse warrior pose. Let's go. Come here in front of your mat. And then inhale, bring the right foot back. We start the same way as warrior 2 position. Inhale, bring your hands up. Exhale, hands down, bend the front knee, come into warrior 2. And then inhale, bring the left hand up, the right hand on the leg, look up. Beautiful. We stay here for 3, 2, 1. And inhale, come back straight and come back to your starting posture. Exactly the same thing on the other side. Inhale, exhale, left foot back. Inhale, exhale, come into your warrior 2 position. And then inhale, drop the left hand, bring the right hand higher. And we stay here for 3, 2, 1. Come back to your starting position. Fantastic.
Shoulder rolls, Skanda Chakra.
Let's do Skanda Chakra, the shoulder rolls. Are you ready? Sit on your mat in a cross-leg position and then bring your hands in front of you, palms facing up, and drop your hands on your shoulders. Bring the elbows together and then inhale, start rotating. Inhale up and exhale as you go down. Take your time. One more. And the next time you arrive up, just change the direction. One more time. Beautiful. And you can let go of the hands, bring them back on the knees and relax.
Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana.
Let's do Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bend. Ready? Sit at the edge of your mat, facing the short side of the mat. Outstretch your legs. You can move the skin from your buttocks to make sure that you're sitting on the sit bones. Inhale, bring your arms up above the heads. And then as you exhale, start leaning forward. The movement is led by the belly. So we start leaning forwards until you can catch your feet. Inhale, exhale. Here, the breath is key. Take long exhalation to make space in the body and to get deeper in the pose. For 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back up. And you can come out of the pose, coming back to the starting posture. Fantastic.
Reclining pigeon pose, Supta Kapotasana.
Let's do Supta Kapotasana, the reclining pigeon pose. Let's go. All right, lay on your mats, keeping your legs bent. And then bring the right foot on the top of the left thigh. Interlock your fingers behind the left thigh. Inhale. And as you exhale, bring the foot closer to your chest. For 3, 2, 1, let go. And then we're just changing sides. Bring the left foot on the top of the right knee, interlock your finger behind the right thigh, inhale. Exhale, bring the foot closer to your chest. For 3, 2, 1, you can let go and come back into a laying posture. Beautiful work.
Knees to chest pose, Apanasana.
Let's do Apanasana, the knee to chest pose. Alright, let's start sitting facing the short side of the mat. And then lay on your mat. Bring the back against the mat. And then with your hands, catch your knees and very slowly bring them to your chest. You can just hold on your knees or even hug your knees to your chest. You decide also if you want to bring your forehead against the knees or if it stays on the mat. For 3, 2, 1. And then you can gently let go of the legs and come to a laying posture. Fantastic.
Well done, everyone. You've just completed a session designed to ease chronic inflammation and nurture your inner calm. Carry this sense of balance and relief with you throughout your day. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next session. Take care and be kind to your body.